Okay guys, so tried some trades in the morning. Well, not that good because I let it um, well, I thought was gonna be more momentum, but these supports from the 30 range are working very good right now, so market is really a
Target Sweet. Filled.
okay. Got a good trade right now. So
Sweet.
if I would have closed this trade, so it went long here, and if I was babysitting these trades, we could have grabbed a good profit. So we shorted here again, and just in the pullback got me and stopped out. But it's better, to have a fixed loss, because if the market goes beyond that, and this 200 can become 500. So if you lose, you lose. Okay, so there's nothing you can do about that. So we were in the red when we started. So we went long here, and the market open. For my time, it's 8:30. Market open, went long, and it took me on the pullback again. The market took off. They made another trade and took me on the pullback. But well, it went twice, so it was for like 40 ticks to the downside. Then we went long again. We got this one. Okay, if I was babysitting this trade, based on the momentum, I could have, um, moved the stop so I can the target. I mean, but it's a matter of expertise and being on the trade. Okay, we got another one, and we got this one. Then we went long this one, and it stalled over here in the 30 range.
Order filled.
So a resistance. So I could have gotten out, but didn't, because I thought we had momentum. It was trap traders, so we didn't get nothing. We stopped out. Then we got short, and we got stopped out again. One thing I wanted to tell you is I I'm not using any filter. Okay, so I'm uh, I'm taking longs and shorts, mm, whatever the volume tells me. And like I said in the previous video, okay, if you are a experienced trader, okay, you can close the trades and manually, so there's no need for you to have big losses. So for example, I recouped down here. It was like a 40 tick trade. Okay, so we're still down, but we're gonna go hit this support down here. Let's see how it goes. There's selling momentum, but we never know. Okay guys, so let's see how it goes. I will pause the video and come back. Okay guys, so this short trade that we were in, market, we had like 200 in profit here, but this is trap traders. It was momentum to the downside, but market just decided to go look for more sellers. So we go long here. Was trap traders long in this support here, I mean resistance. Then it just turned around, and here we are. So we entered right here. We are 400. Okay, so let's see. At least we cleaned the losses, and see how this one ends. So guys, this is the only way to trade these markets, because if you try to do revenge trading, and you don't know where to
Sweet.
enter a trade, so you get caught up in a big drawdown, and the market will just eat you alive. Okay, I'm gonna exit right around here.
Sweet.
It's sweeping the book, so
Order filled.
I just close it here. Okay guys, so this is more than enough for now. mm, the system didn't update, but it's okay. So this was a big trade. That's $1,000. So this is something that you can do, easy to do, not complicated. Just follow the support and resistance, and if you see that the entry has is logical, okay, so that way you can see that the market is just gonna go, okay. So always be aware that the market can turn around, but basically everything is support, resistance. You see here the market just from this upside. Remember, I told you in the video before that if you see a resistance and you see a volume expansion inside the 30 range, this means a lot, okay. So this, as you can see, you can study here what happened. Trap traders long didn't work, and we didn't see a volume expansion in this downside, and we didn't see a volume expansion in this upside. So they touch the resistance and we see a volume expansion. You need to really learn how to read the story. You need to learn how to read what these guys are doing. So it takes time. Yes, it takes time. So it's just visual. You need to learn, okay. So that way you can, I just move the target more and I can recoup. So just don't do like fixed targets and everything. Sometimes I do it just to catch up, so get 1 or 2 wins. But then you need to try to work out, if you see the market, if you see this, for example, like I told you, you see up here there was no volume expansion. It was tape momentum, like everything, retail traders and everything, all of us just going long, and that's it. But no, not the big guys. So you can see the big guys down here. Look at this one, look at this one, this one, this one, this one. So yeah, they don't want to push the market up, So it was they just do this in the opening and they go long. It's part of reading what the market is doing sometimes. And when you see this trap traders here, like for example, we see volume expansion here and it stalls and then goes back, you gotta be careful, because there's a high frequency traders, just scalping small amount of ticks, and that can get you into trouble, because sometimes you're gonna see for example, a trade like this. There was a volume expansion to the upside, but it's a high frequency trading company just trying to catch a tick or two. These guys really do just small trades, and they fool us. So they fool us that the market is gonna go up, and it's not. So they like to trap traders here, because the late guys, we are the late guys, we follow this, and basically it's just the guy just entered and exit. So there's nothing you can do about that. You gotta learn how to live with that. So basically that's it, guys. So if you're interested in this system, you can contact me. There's the description in the link below. The auto trading systems is not
Order filled.
it's not a included. So basically, I offer you the indicators, and you see more volume expansion to the downside. So they didn't even touch this trend line here. Okay, so it includes the support and resistance, the multi-time frame, the Bidask indicator, and the trend line, and the time and sales indicator. So if you're interested, just contact me, and thanks for watching, guys.